Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Right, so good morning everyone. I hope you're all doing really well. So today I am actually starting the day off doing one of the Lincoln virtual open days. I did one of these last month for the first virtual open day. It was really fun. I just did like a 10-minute live chat, which is very nerve-wracking, like speaking live and knowing that loads of people are watching it and listening to what I have to say. I don't know, I just find it very nerve-wracking. But it went really well last time, so I'm very excited to do it again. So I'm just about to hop on and chat to Darren and the other media team and yeah, start my live. Wish me luck. Hello, my name is Charlotte Price and I have just recently finished my degree at the University of Lincoln. So I've just finished my third year studying forensic science. The virtual open day went really well. I just smashed that out at Aiden's whilst he was doing some stuff downstairs. So yeah, that went really well. So let me know if you tuned in. I know quite a few people messaged me on Insta saying they did watch that, which is exciting. I've got another one tomorrow morning. And then I think that's it for virtual open days unless they ask me to do any more. I'm not really sure what they've got planned. But we've just come back to my house because Aiden is going to help me with the task of tidying up my room. All I say in my vlogs is sorry for the mess, look behind me, it's disgusting, like literally it's awful. It's all stuff from my uni house. And just basically I've got so much shit in my room, it's ridiculous. So we're gonna have a massive clear out of my room today and we're gonna start off with my wardrobe. I'm actually gonna film a main channel video decluttering my wardrobe, sort of going through like a keep pile, a donate pile and a Depop pile. So make sure you check out my Depop because I'm going to be constantly uploading to it. I have so many secondhand items that got handed down to me from like my older cousins and older people in my family that I literally just have too many clothes, like combined with stuff that I bought myself, and I just have never properly decluttered anything ever in my life. Wardrobe wise, like clothing wise, I've like never had a proper massive clear out, which is why there'll be some stuff that's probably like size 6, size 8 from when I was literally like 10. And yeah, there's literally going to be a complete range of sizes on my Depop, probably from 6 to 14, 16. Like it's going to be like this huge realm of stuff. So make sure you go check that out. I'll let you know when the main channel video is up. And I'm actually really excited to film it so that I can actually have like a really fresh space. And we're going to work our way through my entire room. We're going to box stuff up, take it around my grandparents and store, I think they're going to store some of my stuff in their attic. I basically just need a massive clear out of my room because it's making me so unhappy, like being in my room at the minute. Apart from that ramble, I'm going to just pop up my ring light. So this is the one that Aiden bought me for our anniversary. I really appreciate it. But he got me the RL142 LED soft ring light from Neuter. And I know Carrie actually had a whole review on this, so I'll leave that down below in case you want to go watch like a full proper unboxing, because this is going to be probably like a quick time lapse because I'm not a tech goddess like Carrie. Also it comes in this little like black case, and then we've got a tripod here and then where we connect for the light. I started off when I first started YouTube, I obviously just used natural light, and then I used softbox lights. Then I use like a mini ring light, and now this is like a proper sort of like big size ring light that will actually make a difference so that I can film like literally whenever I want, wherever I want. This will give me enough light to sort of like film in the evenings. This is me just not reading the instructions, you know, like one of those people. That's who I am. I actually don't know what I'm doing. Like I need to read instructions, don't I? Oh, what a dream. It's come with one of these things that I've been meaning to purchase from like Amazon or eBay for ages. It's one of those little camera clicker things which are good for like iOS phones. Yeah, so I can either plug this to my phone or my camera, I think. It's just like Bluetooth, and it'll be really helpful for like self-shooting at home if the camera's quite far away from me when I'm shooting. So I'm buzzing about this. I'm gonna make sure I don't lose that because that's quite small. Okay, we've set up the ring light. So we've got the ring light on, and there's like two little, what are they called? Rotating nodes. So this changing the coolness?
Yeah.
So this is the warmest one. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it on there. And then the coolest one. And then this is just the intensity.
Fuck.
That is insane. That is actually insane.
Oh, how well it is my face.
This is the warmest one, very yellow. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's making me literally look so yellow. And then the coolest one.
I can't tell it bright.
And then... oh, sorry, I didn't realise they were on the brightest. Sorry.
That is so bright.
So bright. Because you're looking at the light though, I'm looking at my camera.
Yeah, I'm still looking at the camera.
That was the best review I think I've ever done on my channel. Right, okay, I'm going to film my wardrobe declutter with this little monkey. Me and Aiden are going to be decluttering my room for the rest of the vlog. Just wanted to overview of what it looks like right now, just because I think it'll be so satisfying later on. So we've got this lump of shit, loads of bags over here. I'm just about to film the wardrobe declutter first, which is why my ring light's up. That over there, apart from you can stay, the rest can go. And then, do you know what I mean, like I've got that was like my childhood TV that's still up there, and then I got this big TV here, a lamp that doesn't work, chuck it, do you know what I mean, like what's wrong with it? Oh my god, a cute bear.
Has he got to go
or stay? He can, look, he's in the laundry bag, he's in the... And then this is even worse, so we've got boxes of stuff, bags of stuff, all of this stuff. Like, look how messy it is. It's actually ridiculous. Like, there's a fucking pig on my makeup. So
on the bed as well.
Yeah, there's a pig there as well. But yeah, so as you can see, everything is absolutely vile, and we're hoping to get this all sorted today. Wish us luck. Hey everyone, it is the following day. This morning I did like a little live again for the Lincoln virtual open day, and since then me and Ava made some wraps for lunch, and now Aiden's been helping me tidy my room, like we've just been continuing since yesterday. Still looking in absolute shambles, but it's so much better, like the way we've organised things. And we've just literally bought a shelving unit that I can put in this area of my room, so then we can obviously put bits and pieces on.
Store your belongings easily with a square.
It's an 8 cube storage unit. It's one from Argos. I went for the white, but you can get it in black, grey and wood, like brown wood, right?
Yeah, oak.
Oak, whatever it's called. But yeah, it was £55, which I actually don't think is too bad at all. It's coming tomorrow on a Sunday. I need to show you the progress on the room. We're actually really getting there, which is fab. My storage unit's getting sent this evening, which is mad because I didn't think people, like companies, really delivered on Sundays anymore, especially so late. So we're gonna go back. My dad's cooking us a chow mein, which I'm really buzzing about. But yeah, today I've just sort of been like planning my videos for the upcoming weeks and like sorting out what I'm doing this week. I'm meeting up with a few like old friends and stuff, which is nice. Yeah, I just sort of wanted to give you a bit of an update, and I really hope that the storage unit's really easy to put up later, so we can start like putting stuff away and starting to see the floor in my room. Something that I don't particularly like in my room is the carpet, but it was there obviously when we first moved in. Basically my room's like a converted garage, so the people who lived in it before, there was like a boy who lived in the converted garage, and then I got that room because I was like the older sibling, you know, that sort of thing, so I got the bigger room. And it's downstairs obviously because it's the garage. And the floor and the carpet's like this horrible blue colour with spots on, and I can't deal with it. But there's no way I'm gonna like pay to get like flooring or anything, because obviously it's literally just sort of like my temporary home for the minute. My brother will probably move into that room when I move out, so I'd rather have like a wooden flooring than carpet in my room ideally. Or if there was carpet, I'd want it to be like a cream colour, even though that probably would be just as bad because you'd be able to see all the shit that I spill all over the floor. But yeah, I'm excited to get back and sort that out later. I'm feeling very tired, but I'm just about to watch Sophia and Cinzia's new Say It or Show. I am actually buzzing because it's really reminded me of when I first discovered Sophia and Cinzia, and I literally lived for all of their drunk videos. Like, me and Megan were absolutely obsessed with them in first year when we found them. So I'm very excited to sit and have a watch because I feel like it'll be really nostalgic. let's do that. I also think I might do a updated get ready with me. I feel like I do them updated every month, but I constantly am changing up my products recently and I'm really loving them, so maybe I'll film that. But yeah, I've got some really good ideas coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to Charlotte Emily on YouTube, my main channel, because I've got some good things coming. We're back at my house and we're making some major progress. It might not look like it right now, but at the charity bin near me, we chucked 4 bags in there, like full dustbin bags. Then we've got my suitcase and this huge bag down here, all filled with Depop clothes, so go check out my Depop if you are looking for some new, cheap, secondhand clothes. And now, yeah, we've done quite a bit, haven't we? We've like sorted out a lot of the stuff that was on my floor from uni. It looks a bit messy at the minute, but lots of this stuff is going out, like all recyclable stuff there, and a lot of it's going in the attic. That's the other thing I wanted to say. So I've got like stuff that I want to keep but I don't actually need in my room right now, so like stuff that I can put in my future house, and like some like cute sentimental stuff like my first ballet certificates and things like that. And we've just cleaned the top of my wardrobe. Well, Aiden's just cleaned it for me, bless him, but he's been chucking all the stuff that was down there to me. Now it's beautifully clean. I haven't seen it like that in a while.
To
do a transition.
cover it and throw it back to me.
The lighting went really blue then, you'll see what I mean when we edit that. We've got our Argos delivery, the delivery man just dropped it off. Here it is, my little 8 square cube unit thingy majiggy mabobby. We've just measured the dimensions so that we can go get maybe some little like drawers and stuff that I can pop in the squares that don't have like a back on. But I'm really excited. I've just literally just popped these in just to sort of feel the vibes. But yeah, I will update you when we've filled this with all the stuff that I'm hoping to keep in there. And we're going to have a little trip to Wilko, I think, to see if we can find some little like storage drawers to pop in these spaces, and a couple of other things. We want to get maybe like a hanger to put on the end of my wardrobe, so I can hang like my dressing gowns and like maybe my bags and stuff so they're not on the wardrobe handles. So we've just come to my local shopping centre, which as we all know I hate, but we're just going because the Wilko is quite big there, and we're going to go see if we can find any storage things. I've just taken all the parcels to the post office for my Depop. So we've got all of that done, so now our mission is to go to Wilko, find my storage stuff, we want to both go to the bank and maybe get a cheeky coffee for the way back. Woo! Just come down this aisle just to have a little look, and there's some really nice stuff. Obviously this won't fit in my room, but like some of these are so cool, like these shelves on the wall, these little square sort of like sets I really love, and they're only a £5. And these little like trays as well, these little tables, the cute little marble one here. Not that I need them at the minute, but I'm just saying, like for anyone who is looking for something like that, 2 shelves for a £5. So we've just got back from town, and I got 2 of these like baskets from B&M. They're literally sort of almost the perfect size. The depth is a little bit too much, isn't it?
Yeah, a little long.
Just a little bit too long, but we've pulled my cube unit away from the wall, so it like sort of fits perfectly, which I really like. So we're just going to fill those 2 spaces there, have these 3 blank. So I bought these metal hooks, it's just like a 4-pack, and they have adhesive sticky bit at the back. Sticky bit at the back. So just pop in 3 of the metal hooks up there, and I think I'm going to have like my dressing gown and some of my bags hung up on the sides. So I've just come into the kitchen to make me and Aiden some iced coffees because we're feeling a little bit sleepy, because we've been at my room pretty much the whole day, or in town getting stuff in my room, so I feel like we haven't really stopped. So I'm just going to make us some nice iced coffees. I want to say hello to everyone. Do you want to say hello to everyone? You're looking very cute today. You're looking super cute. For a nice little break from today, we've come out for a rainy walk with the boys. Aiden and Barney running ahead. I'm not going to talk for too long because it's raining and my camera might die from water damage, but I'm wearing my cute little, it's actually all from Fabletics I think, but it's literally the coziest little set. I've got these shorts, they're like my favourite shorts ever, little like sort of sports shorts, really high quality. Then I've got this bomber jacket, and Yay! He's coming back to you. Oh my god! Yeah, we're gonna have a little walk around here. This is like the little area sort of near my house that is literally dead. Like no one came here the entire time of lockdown, like just a couple of the dog walkers. And now we're just heading to Tesco. Oh shit, his coat fell off. Oh shite. We're gonna walk to Tesco as well to grab some ramen ingredients because we're gonna make my family some. So me and Aidan made them last week, which you'll have seen in like one of the previous vlogs, and it's literally the tastiest meal ever. Like it's pretty much exactly like Wagamama's, which is what I love, and we loved it so much that we recreated it literally the following day, and now we're gonna make it this evening for my family. Do you want some? Do you want some? Just made Dave a ramen, hoping he likes it. And me and Aidan sat here eating it as well. Yum!